Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Paste Clear, the crystal clear rubberized paste that can waterproof and protect just about anything. This is just an ordinary paper bag, but it's been coated with Flex Paste Clear, so now it has the strength to stop water, a lot of water, dead in its tracks. Flex Paste Clear will never shrink, crack, or peel. It's virtually invisible. Plus, it's super thick. Won't run or drip. It clings to the surface and you can see right through. So whether it's wood, glass, tile, or metal, this see-through waterproof coating seals and protects all types of surfaces. And once it dries, it turns to this, a strong, flexible, transparent rubber. Flex Paste Clear can be applied on wet surfaces and it won't wash away. It even works underwater. This crystal clear rubberized coating is super strong and totally waterproof. Our advanced hydrophobic formula seals out the elements, helps prevent rust and corrosion, and lasts for years. Whether it's DIY projects, crafts, or hobbies, it's clearly the best way to seal and protect just about anything. Severe storms can cause a lot of damage. Now, everything in plain sight can be sealed watertight. Hey, I got a great idea. I'm gonna build another boat using nothing but flimsy newspaper and the crystal clear sealing power of Flex Paste Clear. This is the Flex Paste Clear newspaper boat. Not only does this transparent coating protect the entire newspaper, but it creates a crystal clear waterproof barrier that bends and stays flexible. And you could read every word. Look, the inside is completely dry. Holy guacamole! Yahoo! Get Flex Paste Clear now in our new Stay Fresh container.